Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 scams that involve your phone. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because it's very useful information. You've probably been in this situation at least once. A phone number calls you, you pick up, but all you hear is silence. Or maybe someone calls, you pick up, and then the number hangs up again. Of course, you might think it's just a coincidence, that someone dialed the wrong number, etc. But these are not coincidences, they're done intentionally. So, the first and most common scam concerns, of course, phone calls from unknown numbers. And first of all, what do? You think someone is calling, perhaps someone you know or someone important. You pick up, say, hello, and then there's silence. In most cases, the phone number simply disconnects itself, and you can no longer reach it. This is called number verification. There are bots, or robots, that search through specific lists of numbers to see if they're even a real person. This means that there are numbers that have long been lost, that are no longer working, but they're still listed in the system. So, when you pick up the phone and start saying, hello, the bot automatically records your number, confirming that it's valid and active, and you can continue interacting with that number. Therefore, my advice, of course, is that if you see an unfamiliar number, even if you picked it up, don't say anything and wait for the person to respond. If, of course, that doesn't happen, and there's just silence, then pick up the phone, disconnect the number, and keep looking. It's advisable to block such a number. You should use the phone book you use to dial the number. Go ahead, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, and then go to Settings. Here you'll find the Spam Filtering setting. You'll need to activate it. Check your settings. If it's not active, activate it. Also, activate the bottom slider so that the database will detect if the number has already been reported as fraudulent, which will help you identify it. Use the arrow to go back. Here, go to Number Blocking and click Add Number. Simply enter the number that called you and click Block. It will appear in this list. They won't bother you anymore. Next, a second common scenario is when, for example, someone calls you and immediately hangs up, meaning you don't even have time to pick up. Of course, your first thought is that someone didn't get through. And the phone number, of course, will be unfamiliar. In most cases, people pick up and call back the number that called you out of curiosity. The other end will, of course, answer the phone, but they'll likely remain silent, while you'll be saying, hello, who is this, who was that caller, and so on. So, all the phrases you say will be recorded. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is very good at mimicking human voices, and a few phrases are enough to simulate a real person's conversation. So, your phrases can be recorded and then used by artificial intelligence to, for example, call your relatives and ask for money. And other people will, of course, think it's you calling, but in fact, you haven't called anyone. So, be wary of such numbers yourself. If you don't know what the number is, don't call it. The first way to check is to look it up. Just open any browser you use, and then simply type in the phone number in the search bar and press search. There are many different databases. If this number has been reported as fraudulent, you'll see information about it, indicating that certain calls have been made from this number. Someone might even directly report it as a scam. This way, you can find out who this number is. The third scam to watch out for is, of course, messages. Regular messages, like those that arrive on your phone via text message. They could contain various malicious links, or someone might simply be trying to scare you by sending text messages claiming you owe money or, conversely, that you've won a certain amount of money. To protect yourself, you should, of course, go to the messages themselves and click your avatar in the top right corner. Then scroll down and find your standard settings. Click here. Scroll down and find Security and Privacy. Here, you can enable the option to detect spam messages or block spam messages. This will protect you from such messages. You might even receive them, but the system will immediately flag them with an exclamation point, indicating they're not safe or spam. And, of course, you won't pay attention to them anymore and won't worry about them. I think many people found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel.